Hello, my name is Patrick Nightingale. This series of videos is designed to answer frequently asked questions that clients have when deciding about whether or not to consult an attorney. Thank you very much for taking the time to view these videos. Clients will often ask me whether or not a mandatory minimum sentence is applicable to their case. Mandatory minimum sentences are exactly what the name implies. A mandatory minimum period of time that you must serve in a penitentiary if you are convicted of a crime for which a mandatory is applicable. Mandatory minimum sentences are often applicable to crimes involving firearms, sexual offenses against children, and crimes involving a substantial quantity of narcotics. Mandatory minimum sentences are only waivable by the prosecution in the case. What this means is that a judge has absolutely no authority under the law whatsoever to sentence you to a period of incarceration less than the mandatory minimum without the consent of the prosecution. If you have a question about whether or not your case involves a mandatory minimum sentence, or what, if any, options you have to be sentenced to a period of incarceration less than the mandatory is calling for, please contact me right away. Thank you very much for taking the time to view these videos. Should you have any other questions or be in need of professional legal representation, please contact me immediately at patricknightingale.com from your desktop or even from your smartphone, or at 412-454-5582. Please let me bring my 17 years experience as both a prosecutor and a criminal defense attorney to assist you in your legal affairs to make sure that you have the best representation possible.